Hello, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use screenshots on an Apple Mac. So here's my screen here on the Apple screen. So if I want to take the whole screen, I just press Command, Shift and the number 3 together. Command first, Shift and then the number 3 hold. And then let go and it'll take a screenshot bottom right and it'll be saved on the desktop. And then if you want to take a selective area, you just click and drag the area and press Command, Shift and 4, and then you hold it and let go, and then it'll save in the corner in your desktop, and that's it. And that's how you do screenshots on a Mac. Now you know. Brilliant. See you in the next video. Bye for now.